Hi, I'm Jasmine Terrell, and I'm a native Detroiter. So my family name connects to Motown. My middle name is Terrell. And my grandmother, Tammy Terrell, was actually one of her favorite singers. So when she had my mom, it was a toss-up. Either they actually really didn't know if my mom was going to be a girl or a boy. So she was going to name my mom Terrell. But since my mom turned out to be a girl, obviously, she named her Terrell after Tammy. So, and my mom decided to pass her middle name on to all of my sisters and I. So all of us have the same middle name. My reaction when I found out I made the competition, it did not feel real at first. I felt kind of floaty, but then it set in later on. And I got to the car and I was super excited. Actually, in the bathroom, admittedly, I cried a little, because I was just really overwhelmed, but happy tears though. I will be performing Square Biz by the legendary Miss Teena Marie. The audience can expect me to give them my all because I'm excited, and that is what this performance is all about, for them to enjoy it. So they can expect me to give them 110,000%.
Detroit, how y'all doing tonight? Y'all ready to have some fun? Well, everybody get up. My name is Jasmine Terrell, and tonight I'm gonna talk to you about some square biz. Flashback, who's that dancing to the latest? Swapped upon the greatest, it sure is gonna be me. That's why I said, oh, you didn't know yet. All of it was kids that soon to be made history. Got your hand on out, gonna spell it out. If you to the G, that is best and most. Baby, coast to coast, and I don't wanna boast, but I love you, square biz. I'm talking square biz to you, baby. Square biz. I'm talking love, that is square biz. I'm talking square biz to you, baby. Square biz. I'm talking love, that is square biz. Change that real quick. Had to use a few tricks, like a paper towel. Face to meet you, dancing on a cloud. Gonna sing it loud, cause my love is all the while. Put your hand it up, gonna spread it out to the deep that is. Best the most, coast to coast, and I don't wanna boast, but I love you, square biz. Square biz to you, baby. Square biz. I'm talking love, that is. To you, baby. Square biz. I'm talking love. That is square biz. Let me holler at y'all for a minute. I want to tell you exactly what I mean when I say I'm talking square biz. You know what? Matter of fact, I think I want to make it jazzy for you. Hey, Ben. Yeah. You think we could swing it? I'm talking square biz. Keep it really, keep it high, knocking. Skeet up, ooh, do up. Cause it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Square this to you, baby. Square biz. Talking loud, that is square biz. I'm talking square biz to you, baby. Square biz. I'm talking love, that is say. Flashback, who's that? Flashback, who's that? Flashback, who's that? Flashback, who's that? Talk about it. Talk about my love. Talk about it, yeah. Talk about my love. I'm gonna hit you to the T. Everybody's dancing to the T. What's the T? What? You know that's me. Yeah. Square biz. I'm talking. I'm talking love. That is square biz.
Jasmine Terrell. Woo! Detroit is on fire tonight. Jasmine Terrell, y'all, come on. Wow. Man, oh man. Judges, please.
Oh my goodness. Jasmine. I had chills. I wanted to cry. I wanted to sing. I wanted to dance. You talk about the sound of Detroit. This was the sound of Detroit.
Yes, indeed.
You are the look of Detroit. You are a freaking star, girl.
Yes, indeed.
Oh my gosh. And I'm like proud, and I'm trying not to get emotional because I don't even know you, but I want to know you. You are a star, and I think if Teena Marie was here, she would say you did that. And you made it your own. You showed everything. So salute to you. I honor you, and I can't wait to look at you at the top, girl. You got it. You look beautiful. The full package. Bomb.
Thank you so much.
Yo, Jasmine, I'm ready to buy a ticket to your concert. I mean, my God. Total mastery. That was fantastic. Hats off. I mean, hands down. There's nothing else. I don't know. That was great.
Thank you.
Woo. You just stressed me out a little bit. Like, I'm not gonna. I'm serious. Like, I don't know what I can say about that for real. Like, I don't really have a criticism there. Like, that was really, really good. And that's a hard song. That's a hard song. And then you take a hard song and you add a scat part in the middle of it.
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
No, real talk, Jasmine. We were all like, square biz? Uh-oh. But man, you took us to school, to church, you know, everywhere. That was great.
No, great job, seriously.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you, Detroit.
If y'all love Motown, make some noise. If you love Motown, man. If you love Detroit, make some noise. This is a show of inspiration, y'all. That's all it's about. All we trying to do is inspire so that we could go higher. Y'all are ready, man. Y'all turned up now. I don't know. I don't even know. This section over here, I don't even know. This is it. Y'all are turned up.